Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to Wins TV. My name is Kwame Bless Wins. You can call me Wins for short. In today's video, I am going to show you a website that teaches you the skill to earn money. Most of the times when your smartphone spoils, you need to take it to a repairer. If your laptop is faulty, you need to take it to a repairer to fix it for you. For me, most of the times before I take my gadgets to the repairer, it means I have tried and it's not working out. And there is this one site that will teach you how to do most of these things, how to fix your laptop, how to fix your phone, and a whole lot of things. This website will teach you these skills step by step with illustrations so that you can be able to do whatever you want to do. Now let's get into it. So we are going to open our Google Chrome web browser, our Google Chrome web browser. Then we search for iFixit. Then we search. So it opens for us. The first thing that comes is the www.ifixit.com. That is the website. So we click on it, then it opens for us. This is how the website looks like. When you open it for the first time, this is how it looks like. It has so many features. You see it here, the phone is opened and all that. Now, if you want to explore more features and you want to learn these skills, we are going to click on the Explore Categories. Explore Categories, which is here. Explore Categories. So we click on Explore Categories and it will load for us. Now it has opened. We have apparel, appliances, camera, car and truck, computer hardware, electronics, game console, household, Mac, medical device, PC, phone, skills, tablets and vehicle. So all these things, this website will teach you how to solve each problem, and it will give you into details per the brand. So if you click on a mobile phone, they will give you a list of the brand. Let's click on the phone and then see what happens. So we click on the phone. Now you see it is divided into categories. We have the Apple iPhone, Android phone, Windows phone, BlackBerry phone, other OS feature phones, phone accessories and landline phones. So I use an Android phone, so let's click on the Android phone and see. After clicking on the Android phone, you see it has opened the branch for us. We have Samsung phones, LG, Google phone, Huawei, Sony, Acer, Alcatel, Amazon, and a whole lot of brands of phones. You can see as many as we have here. We have so many of them, the brands of phones. So it will open for you. So let's click on the Samsung and see what category we have there. Samsung phone. Good. The Samsung phone, we have categories. We have Galaxy A, Galaxy J, Galaxy S. So whatever brand of phone you are using, you just follow the step by step and click on it. So if I click on the Galaxy A, then they have also specified, because this skill you are coming to learn, if it is phone screen replacement, the process you use to replace the screen of a Samsung A71, Galaxy A71 is different from the procedure you use to change the screen of Galaxy A01. So they will specify the phones for you to take the exact phone that you want to learn the skill about. So let's say it's the Galaxy A71. So I click on the Galaxy A71, it will load for me the Galaxy A71 to give you a brief history about the phone. Then when you come down, we come to replacement guide. We come to replacement screen Galaxy A70. Run into problem when trying to boot. Antenna repair, almost no reception. So all the frequent problems that people report about this phone is listed here. So you can be able to click on it and get the procedure of how to solve that. Let's say we want to learn to fix a laptop, we'll go to PC, then we specify what type of PC. Is it a laptop, a desktop, a Chromebook, a netbook, or whatever. So laptop, then they will give you the brands of the laptop. So if it is a Dell laptop and you click on the Dell, they will give you which type of Dell. We have the Dell Vostro, we have the Dell Studio, we have the Dell Precision, and a whole lot. So you just specify, and this website will help you to solve the problem. If it is the screen replacement, you have bought the screen from the shop and the repeller says that he's going to fix it and take about 100 cedis or 200 cedis. If you have the tools at home and you go to this website, it will give you the step-by-step procedure on how to solve these problems. So the website is ifixit.com. ifixit.com. Don't only visit there when you have a problem. Some of the basic skills about the phones, if it is the iPhones, how to unlock them and all that, you can go there to learn about it, so that if your friends have a problem, tell them, you can be able to fix it for them and get your money. My name is Kwame Bless Wins, call me Wins for short, and that is it about today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, comment and share. My name is Bless and I am out.